All right, welcome back, everyone. It is Tim Irvin here. Welcome to another video. In this video, we are gonna be going through our USD30 things that you are not supposed to know. You do trade USD30 very heavily, and yesterday we banked over 2,000 in less than what 3 hours, and then we were done for the day. So that's freaking amazing. So someone asked me, Irvin, can you show us how you do USD30? So here it is. Now is the time for me to tell you things that you're not supposed to know, because other people do charge you for what I'm going to be telling you. So let's go. Let's see. If you want to mute yourself, guys, we're doing this live. The world is going to be hearing you as well. So if you want to participate or you are confused, let's go. This is your time to shine. So let's go ahead and show you. So we're going to go ahead and bring it. I'm going to be explaining it to you in detail, because the goal here is for you to understand. Look, we have another trade that we took on Friday here. Let me go ahead and bring more viewers. On Friday, I took another sell position. It's there. We put $1 in here. There's few couple $100 in there already in profit. I totally forgot to move the stop loss, but hey, man, mistake happens. But my goal is to teach you what I know here. All right, so this is what I do. This is the way how I do it, guys. Very easy, very straightforward. Hopefully you guys seeing the USD30 is bullish, but I took a pullback as a sell position. So if you pay attention in here, let me do this slowly. Look at here, market right now is giving us a sell position, right? It's saying, hey, Irvin, we are selling. That's what I saw on either on our pullback here. But the first thing that I always pay attention, guys, is the following. My time entry. I love to end it in 1 hour. I'm going to go to 1 hour in a second, but I really pay attention my timing that I'm going to be pulling on the market. So first thing, I put my eyes on the dashboard and I go like, okay, what is 1 hour telling me? Oh, 1 hour is telling me market is getting ready for the bullish trend. So now it's a new week. When I took the trade, was giving them the sell position. So I'm profiting here. So I have another trade here as well that is the trailing stop is secure. So no matter what happens, I'm gonna be paying. I'm gonna get paid in the market. So always pay attention to the dashboard. First thing first. Then what you need to do, the second step, easy, is pay close attention. What is your multiple time frame doing? Going in the same direction of your TWE sniper entry. If your white arrow also popping, guys, that means the market is gonna be pushing very heavily, either going in a buy or either going in a sell. It doesn't matter if it's a pullback, but usually it's one of the larger time frame that is gonna be pushing. As you all know, the white arrow is very powerful in here. So here it is. It gave us that buy position. Our TW sniper entry show us that we are officially in what? In a bullish trend. So market here is clearly in a buy position. So what did I do on last week, guys? Here it is. Look at this. Market is giving us a sell position. So this sell position here represent a pullback. So I took that pullback. 1 hour was clearly crispy saying, Irvin, take that sell, and boom, market was a freaking amazingly. Market was clearly coming down, as you all know. So I can say, guys, market still has potential to retest our 38.2 Fibonacci. I totally forgot to move the trailing stop. And you know, we all make mistakes. Look, that's a simple mistake, very simple mistake, but at least the trade is going on my favor. So what I'm gonna do when it opens on Sunday, guys, I immediately gonna go to this particular pair, move the trailing stop and profit. If the market reverse, oh well, at least I'm gonna be in profit. So that's all I do, guys. Nothing else. Keep it simple. The game is simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Look, I'm gonna go to 1 hour. So when I took, when I took it, you will see it. You will see it. Actually, let me go to 4 hours so you can see it, right? You can see the entry. So always get to the habit guide to put your box here. Let me show you here. So this is what's my entry, right? Right here. So this box here, no matter what time frame you're gonna go, you always gonna be in profit. Oh, I mean, it's gonna show you exactly where it is on any lower time frame. So now if we move in, and go to 1 hour, the blue box will not switch. It will stay there forever, because that's the benefit of having this drawing this blue box in here. Look at here. Look, boom. That's the entry. That's the box that we draw on 4 hours. And look what the market is doing. That's the sell that we took. Here it is. Sell. And here's money. Boom. So market, like I said, market still has potential to retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level. So now I totally forgot. Yes, I totally forgot to put the stop loss. Now I should have moved the stop loss. I mean, the market is closed right now. Should have put the stop loss and move yourself to secure profit, but I totally forgot. So I'm gonna do it as soon as the market open. But that's all I do it, man. This is USD30. USD, that's what I do all the time, USD30, but I do bank heavily. On Friday, we did bank in a couple hours, 3 hours was over $2,000. We have another trader here that also, I think he banked like $3,800 trading gold. So every Oscar, and I'm gonna be talking about that today because it's gonna go out to the world. So we're gonna do what you are asking on Tuesday, but this video is gonna be, the world is gonna be reviewing it. So I don't want to talk about that particular question that you just asked because, hey, they need to come and join us, right? We cannot give them the secret sauce. I'm just giving them 80% of the secret here. So if they think this is amazing, they have not seen everything, but you will see it here. The market, remember, USD30 is bullish. It's bullish. Market is doing a pullback and then officially it's gonna go bullish. But this bullish trend that you are seeing here is considered a pullback. Remember, look at here. We got our system here. Boom, boom, boom. Everything here is fully formed. So this trend here is clearly coming down. A lot of you guys love trend line. I usually call this master trend line, right? If you put a master trend line in here, because I like to know exactly everything. Look at here, master trend line. Look, 1, 2, 3. So market is coming down. As for now, it's gonna come back and retest your 23 again, and then it's gonna continue back down, or boom, or it might go back up. This is the pullback. This buy position here is considered a pullback. So this is a pullback. So market is taking a break, but overall, we're looking for a sell position on USD30. We're looking for a sell position on USD30s. I'm still gonna be trading USD30 as a sell. That's all I care. I will be sending you guys screenshot and so on. But let me know if you guys have any question, guys. I just wanted to show you why I'm trading USD30. There's things that people are not supposed to tell you on this one because this pay here is super nice, guys. You guys can bank pretty nice, pretty decent, and a lot of other mentors are selling this like like pancake. Don't buy crap, man. Just learn how to do it the way I'm telling you and practice in a demo, and you will see that you are gonna be pretty good taking a few $100s out of it. But that's all I do. That's all I have. That's all I have. Make sure that you follow the rules. Rule number 1, once again, let me label, and then we can let you enjoy your weekend. So rule number 1 is, I know it's the master trend, the first one, but in this example here, we're gonna call this as a rule number 1. Rule number 1 is gonna be always your dashboard. Rule number 2 is pay attention where is your multiple time frame going in the same direction of your TWE sniper entry, which is rule number 3. And then you move into reality. Real data is all I care. That's how you're gonna be making money. There's no other way to make money, only by trading reality. That's it. Because all I care is what are you gonna be doing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There's no money in back data. There's no money here. There's no money there. Never, ever, ever will be 1 cent available for you in back data. It will be only in real data. And guys, this Tuesday, we're going to be doing a live session with another trader. And we're going to be doing a one-on-one, but I'm going to be opening it to you guys. We're going to be doing it on Zoom, and he's going to be asking questions back and forth. But I want you guys also to participate and to win. So be my guest. It's free to you. So learn as you go. This is a brand new year. So once again, guys, I don't know if you guys have any question. So if you do, go ahead and unmute yourself. And remember, hopefully you guys are finding value on this video. If you are, make sure you destroy the like button and comment below and let us know if you want to participate and do another private small one-on-one session. And I will be more than happy to do it. But if I do it, I'm going to do it in class. But I'm going to be dedicating your time, your question, just you and I, and everybody can pay attention. All right. That's what I'm planning to do in the future, because I don't want you guys to be paying money, to be honest. All right. Once again, guys, I want to thank everybody for being here. And what are we doing today? What are we doing today? Where is my logo, right? Because it's very important. I'm teaching you how I trade USD30, things that you are not supposed to know. Follow the rules 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom, money in your bank. All right. Once again, guys, God bless you. God bless you, our beautiful nation, and God bless your family as well. So stay tuned. Peace out. Bye.